Hey guys, welcome to devlog 0 of this new game which I've been working on for the past few days. It is a roguelike mixed with a card game. I've had quite a lot of fun developing it, and this is just me prototyping the game. The art is subject to change, the various mechanics are subject to change, and well, I will even be adding community feedback given to me from the comments, or you can share community feedback on my Discord server as well. The link to the Discord server will be in the description. Let me tell you how this game actually plays. So you have a player who has 15 health points. This is the maximum amount of health or the starting health for the player, and there is a deck out of which 4 cards get randomly generated each time, and it is sort of a dungeon which you need to clear. After you have gotten through the first 3 cards, when the last card is remaining, a new dungeon is generated. This goes on until the deck has ended, or if you are playing on endless mode, this goes on until you die. So I will also be attaching a little playthrough of me playing the game in some time. But before that, guys, I would really like to hear your suggestions in the comments about different cards and different mechanics of the game. So well, this is the playthrough, and once again, whatever you see here is just a basic prototype and nothing is confirmed yet. So basically, here on the right side is your player health and also the block. So this is the first dungeon that has appeared. So I will be first blowing through the 2 block, then the 5 block, and then finally the 6 block. And once I've used up 3 cards from the dungeon gets re-rolled. So well, this was the card I was talking about. This is the 2 times damage card. So it damages you twice the amount of block which you have. So this is 12 damage right here. I wouldn't want to do this right now, so I will just burn through the cursed card, which gave me a boon, but as my HP was already max, it did not get increased. So I will also use the heals, and now as you can see, I can just take the 3 card, and then if I do this, I should get 6 HP damage. I can use up the 8 card, and this is a pretty bad situation. So this is the enemy card. I can burn through this card pretty easily, and I'll use a 9 card and 7 card. So yeah, I have 6 heal. This is good. I can again have 4 block, and then when I use this card, I will get a 8 HP damage, but I also got a 8 HP heal. So this is pretty good luck, and I can tank this enemy pretty easily. So whenever you take 2 enemies, your shield breaks. So now the block is reset back to 0. I can also use the 2x card because I basically have 0 block, so that's a nice little gimmick. And I can take on this enemy first, then heal and use this cursed card, which is giving me a boon. This is pretty good luck here. Now this is a pretty bad situation. I can use the 2x card as it will do 0 damage to me. I can tank these both, and then I can just heal up. So this is pretty good as well, and I'll heal that too. Now this is a pretty bad situation to be stuck in. Yeah, I'm going to barely survive 1 HP right here, and I really hope that this gives me a boon, and thankfully it did. And this is going to be a hard one here. Oh yeah, this is pretty much run ending, so we are dead here. And basically that was a playthrough of the game, and if you enjoyed this game, I will have a alpha copy on the itch.io page where you can try your own luck, and you can play this. And once again, this is very much in the base prototype stages. So well, that was it guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.